Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Facebook Audience Insights to target profitable ads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Facebook Audience Insights, go to your Facebook business account. On the left sidebar, click on More to find Audience Insights. Select Audience Insights from the drop-down menu. You will see a choice between everyone on Facebook and people connected to your page. Choose Everyone on Facebook for a broader analysis. Now, input your target location in the Location section. This helps you focus on the audience in that specific area. Next, you can define your age and gender demographics. Adjust these settings based on the profile of your ideal customer. Scroll down to the Interests section. Here, you can enter keywords related to your business or audience. This will refine your audience further by common interests. As you make adjustments, watch the audience size displayed on the right. This figure represents the potential reach of your ads. Next, take a look at the Page Likes tab. This section shows you what other pages your audience engages with. Understanding these preferences can guide your ad creative. Now, navigate to the Location tab within the Insights. This provides information on where your audience is located. You can identify areas with high engagement for strategic targeting. Moving on, explore the Activity tab. This will tell you how often your target audience is using Facebook. Understanding this helps in planning the timing of your ads. Next, analyze the Purchase Behavior section. It reveals insights about spending habits and shopping preferences. Use this information to tailor your ad offers effectively. Here, you will find data on education level, job roles, and more. Such details can help you refine your messaging further. Once you have gathered your insights, take notes on key findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.